Can you guys solve this tough DESMOS question? So what you want to do here is whenever you see a question asking for solutions, so this one has no real solutions, it's just DESMOS, 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 DESMOS. No real solutions, just always a DESMOS questions. It's saying C is a constant and the equation has no solutions if C is greater than N. What is the least possible value of N? So here's what that means. So we can see that there's an x squared, right? So that means it's a quadratic. And so when I graph a quadratic, it's gonna look something like this. So think to yourself, how many solutions does this quadratic have? Well, a solution for one singular line, whether a quadratic or a linear line, it's gonna be where it crosses the x-axis. So this has two solutions. This has one solution because it's touching at one point, and this one would have no solutions because it never crosses the x-axis. So we're looking for what is the lowest possible value for C for it to have no solutions, and that's what I'm going to be looking for in DESMOS. So let me go and look. So my equation is x squared minus 34 plus C, let me double check, minus 34x plus C, excuse me. We're going to go look, and we can see I can move this slider to C and move what value does C have to be for this to have no solutions, because right now it has 2. So I need to make my slider bigger by hitting this 10. And I'm just going to put a wild number, 200. Let's see. Nope. C needs to be bigger than 200. Let's put 300. We're going to make it bigger. All right. So I can see that around when C equals 300, there is no solution. So I know I'm going to etch it down. I'm getting close. Let me start. This is when I start typing in numbers. 288, 289, 290. Oh, not 2890. 290. There we go. Now I can see that there's no solutions here. So when C is 290, there are no solutions. But remember, I'm not looking for C. I'm looking for the least possible value of N. And N is the number, the last number when C has a solution. So when I put in 289, I can see that there's one solution. This is the last number that C could possibly be before it has no solutions. So therefore, that is going to be the solution for here. Where as long as C is greater than 289, there will be no solutions. So that means N equals 289. Follow for more DESMOS tricks.